Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website Patel Sections. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lessons and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solutions, GSEB solution, Kid Zone, and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any questions, suggestion, feedback, or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 6 Social Science Civics chapter 7 Urban Administration. First question of the textbook is, why did the children go to Yasmin's Khala's house? So the solution is, the children went to Yasmin Khala's house to find out whom they had to pay for the street lights they had broken while playing cricket. Rena's mother told them that the municipal corporation took care of replacing street lights and that the best person they could ask will be Yasmin Khala, as she had recently retired from the municipal corporation. Second question, list 4 ways in which the work of municipal corporation affects the life of a city dweller. So the answer is installing, maintaining and repairing streetlights, ensuring proper collection and disposal of garbage, keeping the streets and markets clean, ensuring that diseases do not break out in the city, running schools, hospitals and dispensaries, laying, maintaining and repairing roads. Third question, who is a municipal councillor? He is an elected member of the committee of a municipal corporation. Fourth question, what did Gangabai do and why? She was protesting against the ward councillor due to the lack of maintenance of streets. The garbage was not being disposed of and this was creating a menace in the locality due to dogs, rats, flies and mosquitoes. Fifth question, how does the municipal corporation earn the money to do its work? They usually earn their money by imposing the following taxes. Education tax by imposing a tax on hotels and shops, movie tax and house tax. Sixth question, discuss in 2 photographs. You see different ways of collecting and disposing of the garbage. In that first one, which way do you think provides safety to the person disposing of garbage? So, the second photo shows the right and safer way of disposing the garbage. What are the dangers of collecting garbage in the manner shown in the first picture? The person collecting garbage will fall sick due to the various diseases. Why do you think that proper ways of disposing the garbage are not available to those who work in municipalities? So, one reason could be due to the apathy of the concerned officials. The other reason could be a lack of funds. Seventh question. This is a paragraph given to you. You have to read this. And the question is, why do you think it is important that the corporation should spend more money on slum localities? Why is it important that municipal corporation provide the poor in the city with the same facilities that the rich get? So the answer is, lack of basic facilities leads to various health issues. It leads to rapid spread of diseases which can be dangerous for well-being of the entire society. It leads to the excess expenditure on healthcare, which can be a burden on the government. The Constitution guarantees a life of dignity for all its citizens. Not providing the basic facilities is equal to stealing their basic rights to a decent livelihood. This was chapter 7 of Civics of Social Science of Standard 6th. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.